Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Workflow is one of the most powerful native tools available in Salesforce. Workflow is an automated action which is performed by the system at the backend to meet business requirements like sending confirmation mail from every credit card transaction. When we done with online shopping, an automated email will be sent with product information and price details. In order to create workflow rule, we need two things: criteria and action. Evaluation criteria. This will verify when workflow should be verified or checked. These are of three types: created. Evaluate the rule criteria each time a record is created. If the rule criteria is met, run the rule. Ignore all updates to existing records. Created, and every time it's edited. Evaluate the rule criteria each time a record is created or updated. If the rule criteria are met, run the rule. Created, and any time it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Evaluate the rule criteria each time a record is created or updated. Rule criteria. This will specify when an action should be performed and of two types: criteria based. Criteria are met, circle. Formula based. Formula evaluates to true. Complex rule we can write. Action. This will specify types of action that need to be performed when rule is met. Immediate performs when rule is met. Time dependent action performs at given time trigger. Action types. Task. Determine the details of an assignment given to a specified user. Field update. Let us automatically update a field value. Email alert. It consists of the standard text and list of recipients for email. Outbound message. Send information to a designated endpoint. Steps to create workflow. Setup, platform tools, process automation, workflow rules, new rule. Step 1, choose object. Step 2, rule name. Step 3, evaluation criteria. Step 4, rule criteria. Step 5, specify action. Step 6, click done and activate rule. Let's see an example. Create a workflow rule to automatically send an email notification to the manager when an opportunity with an amount greater than 10,000 is marked as closed won. So here we are going to take rule name, high value, closed won opportunity, description, send an email notification when an opportunity with amount greater than 10,000 is closed won. Evaluation criteria. Evaluate the rule when a record is created and any time it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Rule criteria. Opportunity amount greater than 10,000 and opportunity stage equals to closed won. Add workflow action. New email alert. Description. Send an email notification. Add workflow action. New task. Field update and outbound message. Activate the workflow rule. Testing the workflow. Create a test opportunity record. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Setup. Platform tools. Process automation, expand this workflow rules. So what is workflow? Workflow automates the following types of action based on your organization process: task, email alert, field update, outbound message. So this is the example what the rule consists of. Continue. So if all we need to create a workflow rule, just click on new rule. To do the practical and to know what is workflow, I am going with workflow. So first we need to choose the object. Here opportunity we have to choose. Click next. Here we are providing the details. Configure workflow rules. Object is opportunity. Rule name is high value closed one opportunity. Description: send an email notification when an opportunity with amount greater than 10,000 is closed one. Evaluation criteria: I am taking created and anytime it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. So rule criteria is opportunity amount is greater than 10,000 and opportunity stage equals to closed one. This one. Click save and next. If we are going with any add time trigger, then to check that we have to search for time based workflow, and if we are hitting the search button, then all the time based workflow actions will be displayed over here. For now I am not going with that, so add workflow action. First I am going with email alert. Create an email alert to associate with one or more workflow rules approval process or entitlement process. So description I am providing send email notification, unique name, by default it's taking. Email template what we had created earlier, that one we are going to take high value opportunity notification. Recipient type user, I am going with user A. You can enter up to 5 email address to be notified. I am going with this one only. So from email address, current user's email address, click on save button. So again add workflow action. Next I am going with field update. So in the new field update I am going to update the type of that particular opportunity. So here type will be there a specific value. I am choosing with new customer. Click on save. So if the conditions are meeting, then it is updating to new customer. Next I am going to do new task. So assign to myself Salesforce network Subject high value opportunity. Unique name by default it's taking due date. I am going with opportunity created date plus 1 day. Description information comment new task simply I am giving status in progress and priority I am making normal. Hit the save button. So task is also ready. Again we are going to see outbound message, new outbound message. So new outbound message, enter the details of your outbound message and select the fields you want to include in this message. So enter outbound message opportunity, send outbound message name, unique name it's taking by default. Endpoint URL I am giving only google.com. User to send as Salesforce network user and opportunity fields to send. So opportunity name, opportunity amount and type. So hit the save button. So now all the parts are done. New task, email alert, field update and outbound message. So simply click on done. And activate the workflow rule. So whatever condition is there, if amount is greater than 10,000 and opportunity stage is equals to closed one, then it is going to send the email alert, new task, outbound message and updating the field value. So workflow is ready for us. Search for opportunity. So create a new opportunity. Here I am creating by the name workflow test opportunity 1. So our condition is amount and stage. So I am giving here the amount like 11,000 and closed date is mandatory. So we have to provide stage name should be closed one to meet our condition. So if both the conditions are meeting, then it is going to update the type as new customer. For now I am not making it new customer. Let's see after saving the record. So we got the new task as we had given high value opportunity for the task header. Again click on details. So workflow test opportunity 1, type it's updated new customer. Again just log into our Gmail account to verify shall we got any mail or not. So here we got a mail, dear manager, an opportunity with a high value has been closed one. Opportunity details is workflow test opportunity 1. Its value is 11,000. It's meeting the condition. And please review the opportunity. Best regards. Here username is coming. What we had created in our email alert. So like this we are creating the workflow rule. But nowadays Salesforce is saying that go with flows. If any legacy project is there, so it is giving the probability to migrate from workflow to flow.
Thanks for watching.